In this video, we will review Sketchup. Sketchup is a powerful and versatile 3D modelling software that's widely used in architecture, interior design, landscape planning, and even game development. It stands out for its feature an intuitive pull-push tool, which allows users to create complex 3D shapes simply by dragging surfaces and clicking, which makes it surprisingly beginner-friendly for such a professional-grade tool. Whether you're sketching a basic floor plan, crafting a detailed architecture model, Sketchup gives you that flexibility to bring your version to life. One of its biggest strengths is its vast 3D warehouse, an online library packed with user-generated models such as furniture, appliances, textures and more, which saves you a ton of time and effort during the design process. In terms of pricing, Sketchup offers a free web version that is good for hobbyists or students, while the pro version starts at around $300 per year. Unlocks advanced features like detailed imports and export options, custom materials, and integration with professional rendering tools. It runs smoothly on both Windows and Mac OS, with additional apps for mobile and VR viewing. However, the learning curve can be very steep. If you're diving into complex architecture designs, you may need plugins for rendering and other specialised functions. Still, with its balance of simplicity and depth, Sketchup remains one of the most trusted and widely used design platforms out there, especially in the US market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.